Good morning. We are at the Palms today, and just want to kind of show you guys how to get here to the office. It's a little bit off the beaten path. Out there is the main road through Venetian Bay. Directly that way is 44. When you come in off of 44 into Venetian Bay, it's the first right. That way is Pioneer Trail. We are the last left from there. Just walk into the clubhouse here. We got a beautiful clubhouse. And here's the office. Sales office. All those red dots are gone. Carl's showing 115 right now, and I got a feeling they're going to fall in love and they're going to take that one. 115 is a pretty big part of the pond. So, but I also want to show you this. We had a couple people asking about the new plan. I want you guys to check it out. If there's any questions, feel free to call me or instant message me. Big great room, huge screen lanai, 3-car, and I don't know if you notice, the windows in our homes are huge. Also, everywhere there's a black dot like that in the wall, that's filled with concrete all the way to the ground, from the roof or the ceiling to the ground. We'll have a huge kitchen here. 6x6 pantry. We have an office right here. Big office, 11.6 by 11.4. These dimensions are, could be off a little bit. One of the ideas I had was, if I built this house, here's the entry. Where that window is, I'd put a glass door so I can go directly into my office and not even have to go into the home. Just in case I want to stop by real quick and do a couple things. But we got a beautiful plan here. It starts at 304,500, 304,000. It is 1,900 square feet under heat and air. And here, let me just give you a quick shot here of our other homes price list. Guys, don't wait too long, because just like I said, all those red dots are gone. 115 is going to be gone today. 18 right now is probably one of the best lots for the lower premium, 3,500 premium.